Hello, in this video I will be explaining Playfair cipher. Playfair cipher is one of the traditional substitution technique. Here, every diagram in the playtext means every two character will be considered as single unit. These diagrams will be converted into ciphertext diagrams. This Playfair cipher works based on 5 cross 5 matrix. So this 5 cross 5 matrix will be constructed by using the key. For example, say I want to encrypt the data balloon and the key used for the encryption is monarchy. The first step here is to construct the 5 cross 5 matrix. So I will be constructing the 5 cross 5 matrix like this. So 5 rows, 5 columns. The given key is monarchy. So I will fill this monarchy Monarchy. First I will fill the 5 cross 5 matrix with the keyword given. Now what I will do is fill the remaining boxes in the 5 cross 5 matrix with the remaining alphabets. A is already included, so I will fill this with B. C is already included, A, B, C is over. D, E, F, G, H is already included. I and J will be included in a single box. We need to consider I and J in the single box. K, L, M is there, N, O, P, Q are already included. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y is already included. Z. In this way, the 5 cross 5 matrix will be constructed. Now let us assume, say I want to convert this plain text balloon into a ciphertext. Here, so balloon will be splitted into BALLOON. So in the Playfair cipher, if we have the diagram with the same letters, so what we will do, we will add one junk value like X to it. So now in this example, balloon, so here it will be replaced like this BAL. So I have one more L, so that will be replaced by X. So this L I will be taking into the next diagram, LOON. So BALXLOON, balloon. Now this I want to convert it into cipher BA. So here B and A, if you look into this B and A, so B and A are in the same column. So B and A will be replaced like this. The next letter for B is either I or J. So I will be taking any one of them, I, and for A the next letter is B. So it is B. If the letters are in the same column, so we will be taking the next letters in the same column. So for B, the next letter is I. For A, next letter is B. The next diagram is LX. So if you look into this example, L is here and X is here. So now this I need to construct. For L, so in the same rectangle, if you consider, so we have S at the end. In the same row, so at the end we have S. So L will be replaced by S. For X, in the same row at the end we have U. In this direction, it will be replaced by U. Next, for LO, if you consider LO, so this will be the rectangle. So for the first character, L. So the row wise I need to consider. For L, O we have, so if you consider in this way, we have P. For O, the next character, row wise, we need to consider it is M. Next for ON, O and N. ON are in the same row. ON are in the same row. If they are in the same row, we will be considering the next letter in the same row. For O, the next letter is N, and for N, next letter is A. So balloon will be replaced with the IBSUPMNA. So which will be the cipher text. Thank you.